1. A child's board game contains a spinner with three colors, orange, yellow, and green. A. Using O for orange, G for green and Y for yellow, give the sample space for 2 consecutive spins. B. Find the probability of observing at least one orange. C. Find the conditional probability that the first spin is orange given that there is at least one orange spin. Step 1. Note, each spin has 3 outcomes, so 3 times 3 is 9 total outcomes for 2 spins. A. Sample space for 2 consecutive spins. Possible outcomes for 1 spin, orange O, yellow Y, green G. Possible outcomes for 2 spins. We need to list all possible pairs. O, 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 Y, O, G, Y, O, Y, 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 G, G, O, G, Y, G, G. B. Probability of observing at least one orange. Total possible outcomes. 9 from the sample space above. Outcomes with at least one orange. O, 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 Y, O, G, Y, O, G, O. 5 outcomes. Probability. Number of outcomes with at least one orange. Total possible outcomes equals 5/9. C. Conditional probability. First spin is orange given at least one orange. We know at least one spin is orange. This reduces our sample space to the 5 outcomes we identified in Part B. Outcomes where the first spin is orange. O, 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 Y, O, G. 3 outcomes. Conditional probability. Number of outcomes where first spin is orange and at least one orange. Number of outcomes with at least one orange equals 3/5.